qual deve ser a fortuna. Just down from Sao Paulo ruins. Just down the street in Macau lies a lane. Yeah, just an alley. Travessa da Fortuna. Travessa da Fortuna. Travessa da Fortuna. Travessa da Fortuna. Alleys of Macau. Alleys of Macau. Alleys of Macau. Alleys of Macau. Travessa da Fortuna. Travessa da Fortuna. Travessa da Fortuna. Travessa da
Okay, so that's Sao Paulo ruins straight ahead. We're going to be filming down the street a little bit into the first alley we see on the left, which is going to be down this way a little bit. But I just want to give you the context by showing you where Sao Paulo ruins is at. So let me put our target street up on the map so you can see exactly where we're going to be filming. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so that's Sao Paulo ruins. That's St. Paul Street. Some of the beautiful buildings. And we are going to walk down to the first street that we can see on the left. But I wanted to start from Sao Paulo ruins just to give you some context, just so you can kind of see where we're at more or less. This street is always busy, as you can see. I think the first street on the left, I think it's called Fortuna, but we will see in a moment. We'll film that one not too long ago. There's a nice little alleys. There's tons of cool alleys everywhere in here. Okay. Let's see. Need to get through the people here. Let's go to the right. Okay, so our target street is going to be this first one on the left. I believe it's called Fortuna, which is this one right here. Sao Paulo ruins is like way up there, and this is Fortuna. So that gives you a little bit of context of where we are exactly. And I'm going to walk up Fortuna. Here's a souvenir shop to the right, cigar shop as well. This one is kind of changing. I think people come up for this green made in Macau. So see, there's some stuff down that way. We're gonna go all the way up to the top. I think they make some of these desserts here. Lots of these matcha Macau. Here's a vintage shop. So let's go up to the top. Another vintage shop. And I think this right here is part of that Mateus Ricci school. So I think that's part of the courtyard of the fence right there. There's our Macau Street, Fortuna. Some buildings, some businesses for rent. Okay. Yeah, I guess getting people up the steps would be an extra challenge, right? Because they have to go up the hill already. Okay. This has some Macau vintage signs. Matcha Macau. Okay, so we're gonna go around. And our goal now is just to go down this way. Let's go down this way. And I guess we had some more matcha. I did talk to this guy a long time ago. I think they sell. Okay, looks like it's changed. So this is another matcha bakery. This is the courtyard. I guess now we're in the patio. So the patio is the courtyard, and I think that the first one was the street. So there's kind of a matcha Macau theme. So there's a factory. This one has a matcha as well. So there's at least two. So basically it's like matchas and vintage shops. Yeah, this matcha you can actually, looks like you can write. I think I saw that some other stuff in this area too, where you can write some notes or your name or whatever. So there's matcha. And another matcha. Let me see. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's at least 4, 5, 6. So there's like 6 matcha places and at least 3 or 4 vintage shops. Here's curry noodles and a souvenir shop. So that gives you kind of a context of Fortuna Street as well. There's another souvenir shop right there as well. And here they'll make some of these desserts. So we are going to go into that crowd, back into that crowd. Okay. So that was Fortuna Street, a little oasis in this crowded streets. This is actually St. Paul Street right here. Okay. So that's another slice of Macau. So in the video, right in this area, now that we kind of got a little bit of a clearing. Quite busy everywhere. So Sao Paulo Ruins was directly up that way, and then our target street was on that way, Fortuna.